everybody, we have this kind of like Gabby dollhouse house. Do you want to have a look around?
Yeah.
And do you want to have a look inside? See this?
Yeah.
And can you see these are kind of like the kitchen spatulas and things like that, and towel, perfumes that Marcat does. We have the bedroom and we have the kitchen. Everybody, let's get started. First, let's start with the purple bed. See, it looks so comfy.
Too close, sorry.
And look, there are these books, hamster kitties. Oh well, let's put it in the bedroom. Can you see?
Yeah.
Slide it in, and then later we have this pink chair which has clouds on them, and this is what looks inside. Let's put the chair over here, and then later we have this kind of like mirror.
Not too close, Emma.
And then later we can put it like over there.
Okay.
Next to the chair. And then later, let's start with the bathroom now. We have this kind of like a neat shower. You can see that there's cat ears, nothing on the bottom. And let's put it over here. And then later we have a shell kind of thing, which is a mirror, and there you can't open it, but it's like that on the other side, and it's so cool. And so let's put it, do you know where I'm going to put it? Here. It looks like a good spot. Think the towel's here. I think I'm going to switch it around. Does that look better? No, I don't prefer. Let's put this right over here, just to make it a bit, I don't know. And then let's go down to the kitchen. We have this kind of like orange kitty cat, and you can't open it. So let's put it over here. And then later we have this oven. Look, cookies. Have this stove, something on top, and this is what it looks like. And let's put it here. This looks like the area kind of like we have the kind
I can't
of
see, Amber. You brought the camera.
And then we have this. And then later we have this pink kind of cabinet.
I think there's an oven. No? It's a cabinet.
And it comes.
It's a cupboard.
It comes with a
Oh, the
cake.
cakes.
You can spin it, but it's easy to fall. And let's put it over here. And then let's move on to here. We have this kind of like cutie table. And we have 2 mini chairs, which are cupcake sized, like the real movie, Gabby dollhouse. And let's put that in the middle. Like, I really want to have it in order, so they normally go like that, and then they have 2 chairs. But there's normally more than 2 chairs, but I don't mind. Here's Gabby and Pandy. This is the bottom of them. And this is what it looks like on the other side. And arms, can you see? Let's put them But we have one more thing just to put. Can you see? They're going in the shade. See what Pandy looks like when she goes. And did you know that this umbrella can spin? Or should twist? And let's put it right here because there's no space for it. And then we can play with these finally. So, link in the comments where you want to put it. First, do you know what happens at first? You go to bed and then you wake up. Have a look in the mirror, go to the bathroom and have a shower. This is not really working. And then later when you go out, you brush your hair. Neatly. Do you want to see it? They're having a look on the mirror, and later Gabby's turn. And now they have a look in the mirror, and then you go down and get some breakfast. Cookies, cake. I will have cake. Happy birthday, Gabby. And then when it's nighttime, you can have a little rest over here. And then you go to the bathroom again, wash your hair, and then dry your hair. And then when you're ready, go to bed. And then Pandy's turn. Yay! Now they go to bed, and then when it's morning time again, they want to go for a little shade, so they're having a little rest, and then Gabby's bringing the chair out. Now we put them back to sleep. We put the umbrella thing back up there, and we close. And then we close the area. Thanks for watching. Bye. And then we have this dollhouse. We have this cat thing. We have the door, and we have 3 rooms. So, bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.